this, we're going to run the arenas, and that will give everybody a chance to go to the bathroom, get something to eat if they need to.
Here comes your camera, Carmen. You get his underwear.
If anybody has a question on any of the classes that we're having, the over and under, Preston said he's had a lot of questions on that. See Preston or I. We'll try to explain it a little bit in between. So if anybody has any questions, just see us. We're going to try some different stuff and just have fun with the sorting. Okay, Bob and Carmi, flags up. 4, 4, 4.
Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. I'm going out. Boy, he gave me a fake.
He did. He faked you right out.
Boy, out of my socks. Jeez.
No time?